Hello internet. Hi, I'm Jessica and Jess in Time is my channel. Also, a special shout out to my dear friend Alan Jose, who has been after my life to come in front of the camera. And I finally did it. So, promise kept. And now, without much further ado, let's get cooking. Today we are cooking payar curry. So let's get started. For this you will need 2 cups of green gram or moong. Rinse it well and transfer this into a pressure cooker and add 2.5 cups of water. Add a pinch of Asafoetida. Also, sometimes it's difficult to close this pressure cooker with one hand. Okay, now we will be cooking this on sim. Whoops. Place the weight on it and cook it for 3 whistles on sim. Okay, now the big reveal. Yes, this is exactly how I want it. It looks good. So when you scoop this out, it should be like semi-mashed, not exactly mashed. Yes, this is how the consistency of the green gram should be like. Yep, exactly. And now for the masala, we'll be taking 3 green chilies, pop them in. Also some scraped or grated coconut. Yes, all of that goes inside the grinder. Do not waste anything, not even for the video. Nope. Scoop that. Yep. All of that inside. And now add in 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Along with that, 1/2 cup of water. And grind them. Yep, grind. Place the pressure cooker back on the stove and pour in the ground masala and cook it for minimum 10 minutes on sim while you keep stirring it continuously. Yes, this is exactly how it should be looking. Now let's progress. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Now let's get to my favorite part. Add in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds. This looks like a mini Diwali. I love it. And 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Yes, let it splutter. A pinch of Asafoetida or Hing for that amazing aroma. Red chillies and curry leaves. Finally, pour in the tadka. We are ready. And how amazing does my lunch look? Yes. I love all of this. The recipe to the cabbage thoran is put in my description. I hope you enjoyed the video.